Hi guys, how are you? Today how to use sweep boss and with sweep curve and make Celo machine L band pipe well on it. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to file and click new and click part and click OK. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the sketch here and click here and click here. Select this line, control this line, tangent. Now this line dimension, this point and this line dimension 70 and this line dimension this point and this line dimension 100. These are dimension 40. Select. Okay. Now go to exit and click top plane and sketch. Go to normal tool. Draw the circle to origin. Give the dimension 20. Select. Okay. Now go to again exit and go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the hairline. Click, select and draw the line here. Select this point, control this point, vertical. Okay. Now give the dimension. Select. Now this point, control this circle, pierce. Okay, go to normal tool. Pierce. Now this line dimension 77. Okay. Now this point and this point dimension no need dimension. This point and this point dimension 50. Okay. Select. Now go to 3-point arc. This point and this point, click. Select. Now give the R dimension 47. Okay. Select. Now this line and this line distance 10. Okay. Select. Now go to fillet and use here. I can use 5. Select. Okay. Now go to exit tools. Now go to sweep and select. There are two options, profile and path. And profile this circle and path this line. Now go to guide curve use and click guide curve. Okay. Now we can use thin feature. Now we can use thin 1 or 2. One or half as well as select. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Make our Celo machine bend pipe. There are 4 system process apply. Now we can use materials. Edit materials, click. I can use plastic use plastic, and we can use PVC pipe, PVC pipe, PVC rigid PVC as well as you can use apply, select. Okay. Now you can use pipe color. You can use 2 color use. Control Z, Control Y. Again, I can use materials PVC, plastic and PVC. Okay, you can hide. Control Z. Now you can use color. Click here and use color. You can use color part. No need color use. No need. Okay. Thank you all. Everybody subscribe my channel. You can write comments as well as